Hello, we are the ECE Team 7 for Senior Design. We are the Fidget Counter Solder Kit group.
Our team set out to design and prototype two versions of a fidget counter solder kit that would introduce kids around end of middle school to early high school into electrical engineering and soldering.
So the project itself involved two different PCBs. One is based around a microcontroller, and one is based around discrete ICs. The goal of this was to have two different kits, one to be easier to solder and something that you can program, and one that had a lot more components that someone could solder.
Some of the key takeaways from our project, were the next steps we want to do is add more to our design. So especially with the microcontroller based project, there's only probably about 6 items they get to actually solder on. So adding more just random like LEDs, maybe a buzzer or something so they can have more practice when they start the kit out. Um, Another one is optimize the PCB layout. We want to make it as small as possible without making it still hard to solder. So just optimizing where each item goes and making it still easy to solder. Um, Another thing is we would like to do a more advanced kit. So after doing the microcontroller one and then the discrete one, having a more advanced kit to boost their learning and get another different design in there, maybe with a different way of looking at it. Um, and then the last thing would be perfecting the design for the lowest cost possible. So getting the most cheapest parts, that are still working for the project.